Basham.
And I on a mix.
Bye. Yam Tilma. Haba. Chavapala Lori. Kabab no koda tolo. Demon number. Jello to jello. Patanawa. Ikalaka yellow. Kusha jabin balanya bosoro polo. Bangala is of we. Katahanakani unicorn dirty. Nabaga Napan. The Yashako Susam.
It's a pay you.
Kasher from Shawumo Bam, Ababanga, Hula Kadula, Hegara Kadura Amala, Bakmale, Bungabajula, Lukasham Akarima, it's out to Mala Karama, Lukuma, Adu, look much of the Adu Malakalama, Hey, Aduadama, Sasa, Pukana, Pamuna, Pamuna, Diraman, Kanapana, Hey, you want to wash it, so just about the Tumboje, I am coming on the Cheche, tell your Puliente, Sani, Amala Pomposa, Sani, Abala Gascata, as a Nimanina to Busa, Pamani Country, Bama Country, from Guadalajara, when I see women magic, I can be Malan, some little Bocana, Bernocua, Polo is the Balapai, Bashambella, you love her by Polo is the Balapai. From Biggie, Sirazaki Maji, one day singing. Mango Bunto, I don't help moving on the song. So like I in a diving song, I didn't in a diving talk. A plow pound, Obama, Quaplada, Nokia. Nabo Pammy, my yellow, no guess, Madame Motokia. Buying in a Casablanca, Consia. Never tell you about Mama, you to love me, yelling.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chelsea set a record. Real Madrid never set this record. Bayern Munich never set this record. Yes. Mention any European team you can talk about who did what Chelsea did today. Mention no team you can compare. Chelsea completed the set. The only team in football history to win all the European trophies. Conference League, Europa League, UEFA Champions League. Only Chelsea and only Chelsea alone. Chelsea completed that set. Chelsea will let Real Betis see the trophy. We let them see the trophy, but they can't touch it. They can't have it in their trophy room because we are Chelsea. If you meet Chelsea in the final, what are you expecting? You are expecting to win? You are a joker. You are a joker, ladies and gentlemen. If you meet Chelsea in the final and you are expecting to win, then I don't think you know Chelsea. You know the team you are playing against. No. What a fantastic performance. This is what we call the real remontada. This is what the Englishman will call comeback. Come back to me. Chelsea, come back to me. Come back, bring the trophy to me. Trophy to Chelsea. Anytime that you hear the name Chelsea, it means winning. Yes, in China, if you go to China or Greece, the word Chelsea means winning. I'm telling you. So guys, we let Real Betis feel it small. Yes, because we are Chelsea, we are sympathy guys. No, we don't want to take it hard on them. Antonio and co, Isco and co. We let them feel it during the 45 minutes. And we said, no, now that you felt the trophy, we will collect it back. Chelsea, apart from World Cup final, yes, that World Cup final, the last World Cup final, I see goals coming out in a final. I never see a final like this. 4 goals, second half. 4 goals, second half. I never see this. I can't believe this. Chelsea scoring 4 goals in a final. Unbelievable. If not Chelsea, who can do it? I can't believe this, guys. Chelsea stopped that case. No. Man City in the final, Palace won. Yes, Liverpool in the final, Newcastle win. Now, Real Betis and Chelsea. The world was against Chelsea. And Chelsea said, no, we are Chelsea. Guys, you see this, our team is capable. This, our current squad, is capable. We can win any trophy. You can think about. Next season, Premier League, Champions League, everything will live with Enzo Maresca. Yes! But when we come to this, our players, they can do it. Guys, you see the muscles, you see the pressure, you see what the winning mentality Chelsea brought into the second half in this game. We lost the first half. The first half, Chelsea didn't score a single goal. But during the second half, with the right substitution, yes, with the right players, we were able to come back and score 4 goals. 4 goals. Imagine we started this game well. Imagine we started this game with our first 11. I don't think this final will finish with 4 goals. 5 or 6 goals. I'm telling you. Guys, as I said, this team is capable. Enzo Maresca, now he had to learn from his mistakes. He has to learn from what happened in the past. He is coaching Chelsea, demanded team, pressure team like Chelsea. He must start doing the right thing. How on earth are you using your second team to play final? How on earth are you trying new things in final? In final, we don't try new things. And during the first half, that is what we saw. Enzo Maresca changing his winning team. See, we have a team. We have a project. The transfer window is about to open. We are waiting for our experienced players, our experienced strikers, our reliable centre backs. Just so we can even compete for the Champions League next season. Guys, this team is capable. And Enzo Maresca must learn from his mistakes. Not every day that you can come back. Some days, if you go back, that is all. Ask our brothers over there. The first league, they throw them away and they said the second league, they will come back. The second league, they inform them that, no, you can't come back. Not every day you can come. Some days there, if you die all. Yes, not every team can beat you or get the first goal and you come back and still win the game. So guys, now, our manager, Enzo Maresca, is now the major problem. He is the major problem. If he start doing the right thing, coming out with a right team selection, coming out with his best players, his first starting 11, players who deserve to start, we are winning everything. This game, we saw it in the first half. Gusto's position was vulnerable. Isco and Co was using it. Their goal came from that position. And Will James is on the bench. I don't want to speak about all these things. Yeah, because as of now, we are celebrating. But guys, to be honest, this our team can what? Compete. We can compete. I'm telling you. See, we are not Man U this season. We are not Man City this season. We are not Liverpool this season. No. Chelsea, when you look at the games that we're supposed to play and win, we play and win all of them. We won all the games. That was what needed. When it's time for Chelsea to show up, we show up. Yes, this season. And that differentiates big teams, best teams, and average team and small team. When it matters, you show up. When it matters, you show up. Chelsea will show up. Top 4, the world was against Chelsea. Now, Chelsea finished top 4. Playing Champions League next season. Conference League, Chelsea cannot win it. Yes. Through the group stage, the knockout stage, Chelsea, what. Chelsea had some small teams. These Real Betis teams, they have Anthony, they have Isco. For that matter, they will beat Chelsea. No. In the final, as I said, we let them fill the trophy for the 45 minutes. And in the second half, we informed them that, guys, now we are back. We are big. We are Chelsea. Yes, we won this game and what? Dominated. Chelsea won this game and what? Dominated. See, this our team is capable. I am very, very happy. And I know Chelsea fans all over the world, all of us are happy. Chelsea completed the season 100%. And Maresca as a coach, he overachieved. I'm telling you. Because when you are looking at where we came from, how the season started, last season, finishing 6th, playing Conference League, not qualifying for Champions League, we wanted. Now, we won the Conference League, we qualify for top 4. Traditional top 4. Yes, guys. Just to express my feelings, just to express my happiness in this video. But the tactical aspect of this game, the tactical point of this game is still coming. And yes, our podcast is coming with my Chelsea brother. Yes, so please watch out. Turn on the notification bell. This is the right channel for you for all Chelsea news, all Chelsea information. Guys, we are happy. Chelsea won the game. Chelsea won the game. As I said, Chelsea completed the set. Europa League, Champions League, and what? UEFA Conference League. Next season, let's go and win the Premier League. When Chelsea do the right side, the next season we are winning the Premier League. When Chelsea do the right side, next season we are winning the Premier League. I'm telling you. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this game. Yes, Chelsea won. Even here in Tamale, it rains. So when the rain started, I said, no, Chelsea, we are winning this game. The rain started in the first half. We conceded. We were losing that game. I said, no. As far as the rain, yes, fall today, that means there is coolness. Or there will be coolness and there will be happiness. And indeed, at the end of the day, Chelsea will won. Happy day for all Chelsea fans around the world happy and happy days. Yes. And please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button. As I said, my tactical aspect of this game is still coming. Yes, and our podcast is still coming. Turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.